quest for justice. He's headed to the East Africa Court of Justice after the Supreme Court ruled that his impeachment followed due process, upholding the decision by the High Court and the Court of Appeal. However, the embattled governor's legal team, led by lawyer John Haminwa, says the case at the Supreme Court was done in haste and that Sonko did not receive a fair hearing. Speaking to Look Up TV, John Haminwa says they hope to get the justice that seems to be eluding their hands. It is a quest for justice for the former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko, who through his lawyers is now seeking redress at the East Africa Court of Justice. Sonko's lawyer, John Haminwa, says the case was decided in haste without enough time given to them to prepare their defense.
All that we wanted really is to be given an opportunity to argue the case fully before the Supreme Court. We were not given that opportunity. We were not given that opportunity. The court was in a hurry. The court acted in haste. And it is our view that that was not fair. Governor Sonko should have been given sufficient opportunity through his lawyers to present his case fully before the Supreme Court. Standing with the argument that Sonko's impeachment was against the law. But the one we are now dealing with is the impeachment. Yes, apparently it was argued that because he has been impeached, he cannot be permitted to stand at all. And it was on that we wanted to argue that Governor Sonko did not get a good hearing before the High Court and before the Court of Appeal. Perhaps I should mention that the presiding judge in the impeachment matter, which delivered a judgment against Governor Sonko before the High Court, was Honorable Justice Chitembwe. And one of the arguments we have is that the High Court judgment on impeachment is tainted because the presiding judge has been accused of professional misconduct. Mino maintains that his team will seek conservatory orders to have Sonko on the ballot. All that we need is to be given the opportunity, and there's no reason why a court should not give us that opportunity at all. After all, the court can always make an order at any time. It can always say it has got the power and authority to make an order at any time to accommodate Governor Sonko. Haminwa says they have a number of issues they wanted addressed, and as such, the law provides them with other avenues if they feel the highest court of the land has not satisfactorily handled their case. We are filing a constitutional petition before the Supreme Court. We are also filing a motion, not before the Supreme Court, before the High Court. We are also filing a motion application to review for the Supreme Court decision to be reviewed before the High Court. Martha Koome, having openly talked about impeached leaders, is a case that Haminwa's team says the CJ should have recused herself from the case. And of course, there's something else that another argument you were putting forward. You may recall that some time back, the Honorable Chief Justice, Justice Martha Koome, made a comment to the effect that a person who has been impeached cannot stand for election at all. Somebody who has been impeached remains impeached. Yeah, remains impeached. Yes. Now, our view was that having made that comment, she should not now sit as a judge in this matter of Governor Sonko. We raised that issue, we objected, and she ruled against us. We wanted her to recuse her. It is justice that is being sought left, right, and center, and one that seems to be eluding them. But Sonko's political career could just be hanging in the balance and not hit a dead end if the justice they seek is granted to them. Brian Amuai, Look Up TV, Nairobi.